How's it going, guys? Justin Mitchell here at MarineMax Dallas. I'm hanging out with this NXT24 right here, also known as Starry Night. One of my favorite options on this boat is the black sea deck, something you don't see too often, but it really does pop. It doesn't hold a lot of heat. This boat's been outside all day today, and it's just not hot at all. Of course, even though it's an NXT, we still put a swim platform on every platform we have. And then, of course, we do have our award-winning Surf Star system down there underneath to make the longest and best waves out on the lake. New for 2025, the NXTs are getting this beautiful walk-through, so it just makes it easier for everyone going in and out of the boat to go have their fun. As you can see, this boat is equipped with Cool Touch vinyl and just a stunning black and brown interior. The NXT has one of the most easy user faces in the industry, with everything clearly labeled and easy to find. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just learning how to get up, the NXT24 will show you every kind of wave that you want to see every day of summer. Come check out Starry Night and ask me for a demo. My name's Justin Mitchell, and we're here at MarineMax Dallas.